Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 3008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this car comes with 18-inch alloy wheels, there's tinted rear windows, front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got a half leather interior. The touchscreen features sat-nav, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers and cruise control. There's also some great safety features including lane keeping assistance, blind spot detection and speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 130 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox. The car's done 15,000 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.